tight. So you can see if it's a bracelet, it's nice. If you want to make it to a bracelet, it's the same technique. Wrap the beads here, and if you want the pearl beads tight, you just cut the chain short. Cut the chain short, then you can do. So here, thank you. Here, the wrap. Here. So if it's daytime, is it different from the other time? They will be not disturb you, right? Here. Go up. When my starter start. Thank you. Yeah. Ten minutes. Okay. Wrapper. Here, tight. It's like this. Yeah. Okay. So we cut the chain here. The chain I've already make it 8 inch. So one side 8 inch is enough now. So I stop this side. We go another side. 8 inch already for that side. Here. Wrapper. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's you like my live streaming. I'm so happy and so pleasure. Here. This cut here. Fold it. And this one. Tight. Okay. Next, I'm going to share with you a way that can be make it faster. If you are make all the beads, you can string all the beads and then it will be faster. Here I put one piece is chain, then another piece is one chain, one bead. So I'm going to string one chain, one bead. Okay, one bead, one chain, one bead, one chain, one bead, one chain. Here, then one bead and the one chain. Here. Here. This way. Okay. Then we see how we do. It's going to be the way that can be faster. Tight and the wrapper. This charm we take a little long time to make. Here, fold a loop, then don't forget to put the chain come inside. So we don't need to string the beads and the chain. Always we string it already. Okay. Then wrap the loop here. Fold it. And wrap it. Cut. Here. Tight. Wrap it. And tight. Wrap it. And wrap it. Here. Fold it. Tight. Fold it. Tight. The cut. Okay. So we finished the wrapper. Total length of this necklace is 17 inch. Okay, then we go to put it at the last end with the extender chain and clasp. Here, this one. We have this set of the materials, clasp and extender for sale also. Here, use the jumping tool. Tight and open. Here. This jumping, the link, this paperclip link, the hole not so much big. So I'm going to do it, make it bigger. Here. So here's the way that's to make the chain bigger. This one is not the one can string the beads. You see, we can twist the link a little bigger. Okay, see, it's bigger now. Okay. Go through. Close. Okay, thank you. So we finished this necklace. Okay, so this one, the necklace we just done here. Okay,